My best friend in the kitchen now is my Hamilton Beach Airfryer cum OTG. I do not need to invest in a separate OTG, toaster and air fryer, as this one gadget takes care of all my baking, grilling, toasting and air frying needs. These puff pastry boats can be easily made using the air fryer function of the Hamilton Beach Airfryer cum OTG. To make this delicious snack, let us first mix together some pizza sauce, boiled chicken, boiled sweet corn kernels and basil leaves. Take a small square piece of puff pastry and pleat and pinch the opposite edges to shape it like a boat. Fill it with the chicken mix and now let us top it with some olives and grated mozzarella cheese. Finally, sprinkle some Italian seasoning and these are ready to be air fried. Arrange the puff pastry boats in the air fryer basket. Brush them with some milk and air fry them in a preheated air fryer for 12 to 15 minutes till golden brown. Unlike traditional air fryers, with the Hamilton Beach Airfryer cum OTG, I can see how my puff pastry cooks and changes color. Enjoy these yummy puff pastry boats made without any oil in the Hamilton Beach Airfryer cum OTG.